Alrighty guys, so I'm just now starting this. It's like 1:30. I just got out of school. I'm dressed as an elf today. Don't mind me. But I am about to head to my aunt's to eat and do our Christmas. And then I don't know what we're doing. So yeah, but I'm gonna get off here and drive because I am in a hurry. I've got to get there before 2. I probably already missed food, honestly, but yeah, so let's go. I'm home now. I didn't record anything because it wasn't very eventful. I literally got there, everyone else opened their presents. I didn't get any because apparently part of our Christmas we're doing on Christmas, which I was not aware of until today. So basically everyone else got their presents except for me, because no one brought me presents because they thought I understood that some of the presents weren't giving out until then. But that wasn't told to me. Anyways, I'm making a cake. Let me see if I can set you up here. Is it gonna stay? I'm making a white cake, and then we're gonna put Jell-O in it after it's baked, and then Cool Whip on top, because Grandma has a Christmas thing at church tomorrow, and I have to make her dessert. So we're doing that right now. Let me see if I can get you to where you can see. Can you see there? Alright, so we're making this white cake from good old Betty Crocker. And I've already put the cake mix in. My oven's preheating. So I need 1 1/4 cups of water. One. 2. Now we need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We might be in trouble. Where's my oil? Guys, I know I have oil, but I don't know where it is. Let me get back with you. I found it. Somehow it got on the shelf, which I don't put it there. I don't know how it got there. But anyways, we need 1/3 of this. 1/3 cup of this. You can't see. Oh no. Boom. That looks like a lot on camera. And then we need 3 egg whites. Grandma's very adamant. We're gonna do 3 egg whites. I cannot put the whole egg in because that would be the end of the world, apparently. So let's see. Stay, please. Thank you. Bless you. Ew. Am I doing this right? I've never separated an egg yolk from an egg white. Thank you, oven. No. I don't have an empty water bottle or else I'd do that. Okay. There's one. I don't know what to do with it now. Let me get another bowl. Ew. Ew. Oh, it busted. Crap. Alright. 2 more. This is going to take me a while, so I'll be back. We're back. So, I got them all separated, and in the pan, here's the bowl of egg yolk. I did good until I had to drop them in the bowl, then I busted them all. Because that's how my life goes. Well, let's see. Let's use this spatula. We're just going to mix this. Nice and simple. Let me know in the comments, do you guys lick the bowl after or lick the spoon? I always like to. But, like, my grandma never does. Because she says it's weird. This is really liquidy. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. It's mixing now. I'm going to have to get my stand mixer out, I think. I didn't want to, but I think I'm going to have to. And if I have my stand mixer out, I can't record, because it's got to sit where you all are sitting. So, I'll just have to show you the end result, pretty much. But basically, you bake the cake, and then you make the Jell-O. And while the Jell-O is still liquid, you poke holes in the cake once it's cooled, and you pour the Jell-O in to the cake, and then you let it set up. And once it's set up, you add Cool Whip on top. It's really good. But I can't go tomorrow because it's a meeting for the elders of the church or something. I'm not old enough, so I can't go have cake. So, I'm just playing out of luck, I guess. I like baking though, so I don't really mind. But yeah, I'm gonna end this clip here. Hope you guys enjoyed baking with me, or at least mixing the ingredients with me. And yeah, I'll show you the final result. Hey guys, so it's a couple hours later. I've baked the cake and I've put the Jell-O in into the cake, and now it has been sitting in the fridge for like 3 hours, I want to say. And I'm just going to get out and show you. I'll show you the completely final product tomorrow. If I can get it out with one hand. I might have to flip the camera. Yeah. Maybe. Maybe I can hold it this way. So this is what the cake looks like. It's looking pink. So basically, once the cake is done, you poke holes into it, and then you pour liquid jello, like jello before it's like cooled into its jelly form, over the cake into the holes and everything, and then let it sit for 3 hours, and then you put Cool Whip all over the top of it. It's super, super good. It sounds kind of strange, but it's really good. We also like doing it with a vanilla cake and then pouring banana pudding in it, and then putting bananas on top and then Cool Whip on top of the bananas. That is my favorite. But yeah, she has a Christmas church thing tomorrow, and she signed up to make a dessert. So that's basically what I've been working on tonight. And when I haven't been working on that, I've been studying, because Tuesday I'm taking my final. Angel, get out of the trash. So she just went to get in the shower, and while she's in the shower, I'm just going to pick up some and start editing this. And basically the only other thing I'm doing this evening is waiting till 10 o'clock, because at 10 is when the brand new episode of Destination Fair comes on, and it takes place in Moundsville, West Virginia, which, if you guys don't know, I live in West Virginia, and I've been to Moundsville. I went for my birthday this year, to the Moundsville Penitentiary, and I've also been there. It's really cool, and I'm really excited to watch it. So I'll let you guys know what I think of the episode. But if you want to check it out, it's on the Travel Channel every Saturday at 10/9 Central. And next week, there's only 2 more episodes left after tonight's. So be sure to check it out, because we need a couple more views, and then we'll get a second season, and I really want one. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so it's like midnight. I finished my show, and then I fell asleep on the couch. But this week's episode was freaking amazing. I loved it. It was really, like, there was a lot more, like, things that happened this week than had in other episodes. Like, Dakota got attacked, and I mean, they got some EVPs and stuff, and it was just a lot happened. And I really loved it. So if you haven't seen the show, Destination Fear, be sure to check it out. But I just hopped on here because I'm going to end this here. I am more tired than I thought I was, so I'm going to edit this real fast, then I'm going to bed. Tomorrow we gotta clean the whole house, so it's going to be a busy day. But yeah, I will talk to you guys in the morning. Bye!